Big thanks to all those who support the bottom eight.
And no matter how tough you think you are, it'll always bring you to your knees and keep you there permanently. If you let it, you or nobody ain't never gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. If you know what you're worth, go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hit.
So to all of you who've been following the bottom eight's progression, you'll know that John Redbird Milne has subbed in. The Evan Burgoyne versus Blue Bowen match is off the books round one. John is subbing in for Evan. John came into arm wrestling, I don't know, maybe feels like forever ago now. One of the original high hookers back in the glory days of Grippler, Jeff Slater, Eric Roussin, when we were all just, stepping out into the arm wrestling scene. John loves being the underdog. It's like if he thinks he's going to win, he's not even there. It's like he needs it. He needs a challenge in order to motivate himself. John's real international breakout match was Armour's, I think it was 2010 or something like that, against Ryan Clark. Come from behind victory. John was a super versatile, very dangerous arm wrestler. Around 2013, I will tell you, John Milne was probably, in my opinion, the best arm wrestler in Canada. No kidding. 2013, there was one evening, I remember. That was right before my surgery. I was really shutting down. There was Grippler, Jeff Slater, Cam Clark, who you guys might not know, but he's a great big, 400-pound arm wrestler dude who just lives down the road from me, and myself. And John smashed all of us king of the table, I don't know, it was 4 rounds or something. I don't even remember. Anyways, I thought at that time, John might be the best guy in Canada. He went on to crush Dan Cadleck, who was national champion at 110 kilo. And then John got in a big funk. John, like so many of us, has his demons. And they got to him a little bit, pulled him down into the muck where he resided for quite some time. And everybody who goes down in the muck eventually gets back out of it. John's not what he was on the table. But he's not pulling that guy from 2013. He's pulling a guy who's just putting his feet back in the pool. I'm really excited about this match. We all know Blue. Guy is, 44%. Undermining the mountain. Vector King. Exposing himself to every flavor of arm wrestling that there is to savor. True international athlete. We'll see. Redbird versus Red Hair. Bottom 8.